Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in law, court orders, and legal proceedings. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as injunction, injunction, shun, injunction. It refers to a court order that compels or restrains a party from doing a specific act, often used to prevent harm or preserve the status quo in legal disputes. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about injunction, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.